Hey guys, Mason here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be testing out the new class 313 that was replacing the class 508. So yeah, let's just get on right with it. So we're just going to click on waterline and then the class 313. Oh lovely, loads up perfectly. Which one should we do? I think we'll go, should we do Benton to Esterfield? Yeah, we might as well. I'm still not used to the brakes, by the way, so I might still be a bit crap at, oh, they have a nice little, ooh. That's just going to be so much fun if I'm bored. I'm still not used to the brakes, so I might not be able to stop at the car markers properly. Hopefully we don't have any red signals, because honestly, I will also be crap at them. Let's go. So we're fully loaded in? Okay. Bing. Lovely. Lovely. So obviously the class 313 replaced the class 508 train when version 2.0 came out. Cambridge Street Parkway.
West, James Street.
Is that us?
Farley. Rosedale Village. And
That's your car. I can't see.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
I might as well stop it now. No, I won't. Keep on going, keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Just a bit, just a bit, just a bit. That'll do.
This is Benton.
Oh, do you know, I like this woman's voice better than Stepford County.
The next station is Cambridge Street
Parkway. Sounds like one of my teachers from my old school. Lovely. Let me just print screen as well. I don't care if I'm delayed. Yeah, because I'm meant to be there now. Cambridge Street Parkway. But obviously that's not happening, is it? I'm just trying to get some lovely screenshots for my thumbnail later. Esterfield, we're going.
Cambridge
Street Parkway.
Airport.
I was gonna do a class 5, I was doing class 156, and I was gonna go from Lynn by the Sea all the way to Rayleigh Bay, but the brakes aren't that use. I'm not that used to the brakes still, and literally, oh gosh, wasn't used to the brakes yet, and still failed to stop in time at the buffers.
The gap between the train and the platform.
I'm not normally like this. It's just the new UI is a bit like confusing as well. I'm not gonna lie. Oopsies, just hit my microphone. I don't care if I'm late, to be honest. As long as I stop at the station.
James Street. Farley.
I think I'm going too slow. Oh well.
Village. And Esterfield.
I think if we stop.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
That'll do. I'm proud of myself. I don't care.
Cambridge Street Parkway.
Cambridge Street Parkway.
Esterfield.
Esterfield.
The next station is Airport West.
Is it now? Yeah, if you see a screenshot taken, it's just to see which one will be nice for a thumbnail, really, so don't mind me. How far is Airport West? 95, it was 0.95 miles away. That's fine by me.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Esterfield. The next station is Airport West.
I like that sound of the horn, I do. That's good, that's good. 90, really? We can go, oh no, we can only go 75 miles in this. The sound's gone. Oh, that's right. There we go. I wonder why my sound went off. My computer's
Shortly,
very
be
dodgy.
arriving at
Airport West.
Change here for services to Airport Terminal 2.
No,
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
cool. Slow down.
Service to Esterfield. Calling at James Street, Farley, Rosedale Village, and Esterfield.
Stop!
This train
See what I
is
mean?
formed of 3 coaches.
I do not like the new brakes at all.
Airport West. This train is for Esterfield. The next station is James Street.
Is it now? Who remembers when James Street was like the biggest craze to try and get updates or whatever? People were so excited for it. I wasn't really that fussed, to be honest. I mean, it's new stations, obviously, but yeah.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Esterfield. The next station is James Street.
Stop!
Shortly,
Slow
we are
down!
arriving at James Street.
I think that should be fine, actually.
Mind the gap between the train
And the platform.
Platform 1 for the 16:33 Waterline service to Esterfield. Calling at Farley
Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna make it?
and
Oh, perfect.
Esterfield.
I think. I don't know.
This train is formed
I
of
might get
3
criticised, but oh
coaches.
well. I mean, I stopped.
James
I
Street.
stopped.
This train is for Esterfield.
What station
The
is
next
this like?
station is Farley.
Farley. I think it's Farley, Rosedale Village, and then Esterfield, I think. I've forgotten. So look. Farley, Rosedale Village, Esterfield, yes. So you can go to Terminal 2 as well. Cool.
Welcome on board
Oh.
this waterline service
Look at
to
55.
Esterfield.
It's 75, okay. Oh no, it is 55.
Shortly,
Oh,
we are
God.
arriving at Farley.
I didn't know it was this close.
Mind the gap
I thought it was
between the
Rosedale
train
Village that was
and the
closest.
platform.
Oh, great. Not a big fan of this.
34 Waterline service to Esterfield. Calling at Rosedale Village and Esterfield. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
No, we're not gonna make it. Ooh, we did. Okay, that's fine. See, look.
Is Farley.
Not that far. Not
This
that
train
far.
is for Esterfield. The next station is Rosedale
Rosedale
Village.
Village. Come on, then let's drive. Oh, we're still a minute late. Great. Well, we're not gonna get any earlier, are we? So, let's just make do with whatever.
Welcome on board this waterline service to Esterfield.
Esterfield.
The next station is Rosedale Village.
I think when it gets to 30, then I think I'll slow. Oh no, when it gets to 40, then I'll slow down, I think. Oh yeah, I'll slow down here. Where's the station? What's my graphics on? Oh, they're on highest. I don't know.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
That looks nice. There we go. Oh! Station. Move it!
16, 35.
Are we gonna make this? Oh, I'm still driving.
Esterfield.
Of course I'm still driving.
Calling at Esterfield
Only. No, we're not gonna make this.
No!
No! No! Don't spy. Don't go past. Don't go past. Well, obviously, we failed at this station, didn't we? Of course we failed. We will fail at some point, won't we?
Esterfield.
Esterfield.
The next station is Esterfield.
Wow, is it? I didn't realise. Not like it's been saying all the time. Come on then. That's how far it is. Okay. Right, there we go, last station.
On board this waterline service to Esterfield. The next station is Esterfield.
I don't think I'll try and get as close to the barriers as the buffers as possible, because I think it's just gonna be a bit easier, so I don't eat them. I don't want to eat the buffers. Oh. Slow down. Slow down. I think we have to slow, like, beep. I don't know.
Be arriving at Esterfield.
Wow.
Please mind the gap
30,
between
30.
the train and the platform.
30.
This train terminates here. All change, please.
We'll go 15 in a second. So, slow down to it now, why not? They're 3 minutes late, it's fine. Stop now. That should be fine, really, shouldn't it?
Is Esterfield.
Anyway,
This
got a
train
195
terminates
next to us.
here.
All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us
today.
today. Anyway, so that was the class 313 from Benton to Esterfield. We did, obviously, I tried my best, really, with the driving, but obviously I wasn't that very good, so don't criticise me because I know I've done bad anyway. But yeah, obviously that was today's video, so I really guys hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, just like the video, and if you haven't already, then subscribe to the channel because it really does help me out. So that is pretty much it, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.